Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you just bought a 2025 GMC Yukon and you're wondering where are the buttons for my Homelink, how do I program my vehicle, my new Yukon, to open my garage doors? Well, you're going to have to do everything via the infotainment screen right here, your center screen, and it starts by coming right here. There's the selection you need to make, and there is Add Universal Remote. And it's a very simple process. Depending on the remote you have, you can add up to 8, as you can see, and it's going to tell you what you need to do. So if you have a handheld transmitter, well, here's where you're going to select, or depending on what you need to do, you can select down here. I don't have anything I can actually program to show you how that works, but it's a very simple thing to do. As I told you, there you go. It's going to search for the signal. It will prompt you what to do as you work your way through the process. So I hope that's helpful to you. Tell me what you think down in the comments section. Do you wish GMC had maybe left some physical buttons up here somewhere instead of moving things to the screen? I'm curious to know. If there's another tutorial you would like to see, whether it's on the Yukon or any other vehicle, tell me down in the comments section and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.